Well, we're here at Chambers Creek, the beginning of the project. This is the beginning of a lot of years of home building and construction that are going to culminate in a wonderful community by our client, Caldwell Companies.
And this community is geared towards a 55 and up community.
I think the most important thing in doing a 55 plus community is the opportunity for the residents to have multiple kinds of recreation. And Caldwell is really putting a lot of effort into various types of things that seniors can do.
Chambers Creek is going to be known as the largest, most successful active adult community in the state of Texas.
And this community is going to bring a lot of resort-style amenities.
You know, the main amenity at Chambers Creek is going to be fun.
We are right next to Lake Conroe, and we are actually digging a marina and connecting to Lake Conroe.
Between that and a 9-hole golf course designed by Tom Lehman, I think we're going to offer some of the most attractive amenities in the area.
The other thing is just to be able to have all of these breathtaking views out here versus inside the city where there's not a lot of beautiful views or breathtaking views that this community can offer.
Chambers Creek is one of those tracts of land, when you step onto it as a developer, you realize immediately that it's very special. And we've long said since the beginning, since we stepped onto that project, is we just need to work really hard not to mess this up.
So really why EHRA is a wonderful partner with Caldwell on this project is we provide so many services under one roof. Literally surveying, my job as a land planner, through construction, obviously the engineering design of multiple lakes, the drainage component, all of the streets and lots. So there's a lot that we can do all in one shop.
Selecting EHRA as our partner on this project on Chambers Creek was an easy one because at that point in time we'd had a 15-year history with them. And we knew them well, and it was an easy phone call.
Once a week I come out here, and every day it's changing with all the construction that's going on.
As the project evolves, I'm most interested in seeing is what these golf holes look like. I want to play some golf out here. Here we are at Chambers Creek construction area right now in front of some finished golf holes, but they're doing some grading for lots.
The way these master plan communities work is we do things in phases. So currently right now we're completing our phase 1.
Chambers Creek is moving right along, and we will open in October of this year officially. We'll have a soft opening throughout the summer months. And we are so excited. Our golf course is in now, and it's growing in. The major amenities will start construction imminently. Major roads are in, drainage, infrastructure, and whatnot, things that consumers don't see, that people don't see, but we certainly work really hard on. Our engineering firm, EHRA, works really hard creating all that infrastructure that most people don't see.
With all the amenities that are going into place right now and what is to come as we move towards the west and towards Lake Conroe, the vastness of the project really starts to come through at this stage because we're right here at the beginning.
We are constantly, every day, working with the client and other consultants to develop this land.
Launching a project at the beginning, as anyone knows who's in the development business, is a lot of hard work. It's like pushing a boulder up a hill, and they've been there to help us push the boulder up the hill.
It's a great working relationship, and having them on site, having us on site on a weekly basis, frankly on a daily basis for the people that are actually doing the construction, that makes the project successful in the long run.
I'm also super grateful to work with such an incredible client. They take a lot of pride in what they do.
It all comes down to trust. At the end of the day, is EHRA a partner that we trust? And the answer is yes, and therefore we continue to bring them into our land development communities, particularly large ones like a Chambers Creek that are very complex, very challenging, and take very committed partners.